In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to manage the list of muted accounts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to effectively handle muted accounts and maintain a personalized Twitter experience. To begin, click on More from the side navigation menu, then select Settings and Privacy. This will lead you to the Settings section where you can manage various aspects of your Twitter account. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab and click on Mute and Block. This is where you can control the accounts you have muted or blocked on Twitter. Now, click on Muted Accounts to access the list of accounts you have muted. Here, you can view the accounts and make changes as needed. If you wish to unmute an account, simply click the Muted button next to the account. This will remove the account from your muted list. To block or report an account, click on the profile image of the account you want to take action against. This will direct you to the account's profile. From there, click on the More icon and select Block or Report from the menu options. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your muted accounts on Twitter, ensuring a tailored and enjoyable browsing experience. Take control of your Twitter feed by managing muted accounts according to your preferences.